All right, folks, good morning. It's day 3. We're at the Grand Canyon, and I'm going to start my day off with the breakfast of champions. 1 banana, some milk, and Patriot Power Greens. I love this stuff. Here's the part where we wake up half the campsite. Let me test it. Breakfast of champions right there. Hey, good morning. Cade Courtley here, 4Patriots, Great American Road Trip. We're starting day 3. First of all, let me introduce my co-pilots. This is Ray, this is Jax. Starting day 3, we just left the Grand Canyon in Arizona. It's absolutely epic. Until you see it, you don't realize how huge the Grand Canyon is. So we are heading towards Nevada. We're gonna go ahead and drive over the Hoover Dam and end up in Las Vegas at an RV park. So day 3, we just got into Nevada, and that is the famous Hoover Dam. Pretty amazing story about how it was built, how many people actually died trying to build it. Pretty amazing. Hoover Dam. Hey, you want to go to Vegas? Hop in, baby.